Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. So today I have something awesome. Um, so I had to go look. So I got my prize winnings from TheServiceTech's 250 subscriber giveaway. He has been dealing with some life stuff, so he wasn't able to send it out, and he was trying to do. Well, let's see, it's about that big. He was gonna do a little art thingy, but he was having trouble with it, so and he said he'll get around to it later, which is fine. I know he's been wanting to get this box out for a while now. Get that opened up. Alright, so we got some free air. Let's start it off. We get something in here. Ooh, the gold Ultron. That's nice. I got a couple of these type of things. Got some 8-bit ones, actually. Haven't seen this version, though. Alright. We got a Ghostbusters cup. Cool. Plastic. We got a Spider-Man cup. Another little plastic one. That's cool. And a Cardinals baseball cup. I don't know anything about baseball. That's cool. Who doesn't need cups? Let's see. We got a partial mask. Got a Silence of the Lamb feel to it. Pretty cool. We get a Marvel Superheroes Secret Wars Hobgoblin Baubles by Gentle Giant Ltd. Cool. Oh, and we have another one of those little figures. And then we have Dr. Otto Octavius. There's the chicks. Comes with his little stand stuff. That's cool. Alright. Alright. So next up is the blade he was talking about was in it. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. That's gonna add that to the collection. Sweet. Alright, we got something heavy. It is ceramic coaster set. Let's get these out and show you guys. Spider-Man. Thor. Iron Man, and then as the front you can see Captain America. You know, you can use those for the cups I just got. Ooh. Deadpool keychain. What is this? Fun on the go. Contents 20 activity pages, 3 sticker sheets, and 4 mini markers. Spider-Man. Open this up. markers, activity sheets. It's got some stickers. Sweet. That's pretty cool. Spider-Man. Alrighty. We have a Black Cobra manga. Pretty good. If you guys haven't read it, you should check it out. I got a cap, a plastic. I think this is the Cardinals thing again. So a little small for me, but try to wear it. Nope, doesn't work. Alrighty. Look at that. I already got hat hair from it. Oh, hey. We have another Marvel Superhero Secret Wars. Gentle Giant. Bobblehead. It's got Spider-Man. That's cool. They got little mini comics on the back. That's rad. Alright, now what's next? Homecoming. Homemade suit Spider-Man plush. That's... Oh. It's even got the legs so it actually can stand up all on its own. That's cool. It seems to be a top heavy. It's falling down. Alright, what is this? It's the mystery item in bubble wrap. Da-da-da! What could it be? I don't know. Do you? What is that? Open. Got tubes. Looks like some Ghost in the Shell type figure. I'm not quite sure how this works. I will figure this one out eventually. Probably have to look it up. But hey, it's pretty awesome. Pretty rad. Never actually seen this before, so that's cool. So there we go. Let's put that over there for right now. Deadpool. Doesn't want no Deadpool. Deadpool's awesome. Ooh. Haha, that's awesome. That's right, dude. I totally dig this. Ooh. It is Star Trek. Looks like the Next Generation badge and rank pins. That's awesome. That is awesome. Two-Face. This is the one from DC's Legends of Collectors or whatever it's called. Legion of Collectors. Yeah. Alright, got some keychains. We got Leonardo with his limp sword. Not sure if these are like Splinter type dudes. They kind of look like him, but not really. Look like Splinter foxes or something. I'm not really sure. We got another Leonardo with his limp blade. Just can't get it up for evil. Sorry, I can't help myself. The Shredder, missing an eyeball. Alrighty. Everything's always better with pairs. And we get a Star Wars Boba Fett prototype. Walgreens exclusive. Ooh la la. We get Deadpool the Duck. Quack quack. Actually, I almost ordered this off the Walgreens website, but kind of glad I didn't. That's cool. And Green Lantern. Walgreens exclusive. I could never find this one in the stores. I found the Joker with the purple jacket, but I can never find this one. That's rad. What is this? What is this? It is Coin Bank. Spider-Man. Keep your change. That's cool. We got, oh, that's rad. I got $50. Star Trek money. That's cool. I'm down. Some free money. Okay, this is heavy. It's Loot Crate, but I don't think it is. Great. Google Moogla. I got Weird Al, the book. I might have to give that a read later. Animal Man. He's an animal man. Oh, whoa. Alrighty. Here we go. Vampirella. Used to have this. I gave it away. Glad I got it back. Signed. It's BAM exclusive. Back when I used to give out comic books. Another Vampirella. That's cool. Don't say no to sexy vampire lady. Alright, so here we go. It is Stargirl. Sarah Gray from Legends of Tomorrow. So that's cool. And there's a thing of Jessica Rabbit. It is not really sure. We get a Spider-Gwen comic. That is a J. Scott Campbell cover. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome. Alrighty. And here we get the Hot Topic exclusive, the Joker, the Martha Wayne version. If you ever watched Flashpoint, that's where she's from. We don't really actually see much of her, but a little thingy from Bob, yeah. So we got Batman with the straight hair wrapped around him. Gateway Arch, St. Louis. Magnet. That's cool. I got Stay Puft Marshmallow S'more Magnet. That's funny. Gateway Arch Collectible Pin. That's cool. Some buttons. Looks like Nightmare Before Christmas. Good guys. So that's got to be a Chucky thing. Jason. Friday the 13th. Gremlins. Okay. I got another pop. It's Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location. Fun Time Freddy Chase. It's pretty cool. He's got an open face. So, a Ouija shot glass with a Jason shot glass. We got a blow up hammer, a Dracula, a petrifying puzzle. Solve me if you dare. Oh, I just might dare. And I'm not. You challenge me, and I'll. Ghostbusters magnet. Who you gonna call? The Jason magnet. That's cool. Alright. Put some of these stuff back in here for now. The hands free and all. Now, for the one thing he put in here that I wanted so much when I saw it, and I was like, oh, I hope I win this. Diamonds Select Gallery PVC figure of Spider-Gwen. So, let's get that open and check it out. Missing an arm somewhere. Oh, there it is. It was tied up on the other side of the box. All right. I think there's a way to take it off, take the base off, so if you want to like stick it onto your wall, you should be able to. But I'm not going to try. That's pretty cool. So. Dude, this is awesome. Thank you so much. TheServiceTech, right now he's out on break, trying to get life in order, but hey, go check out his videos. He's got a bunch of them still on there, and hopefully if he gets enough views, we can bring him back into the fold. So, that's awesome. Alright, guys. So this is my prize winnings from the TheServiceTech's 250 subscriber giveaway. I'll leave a link once this is uploaded in the description and whatnot, and I'll do a little stuff like here or here. Probably here because there's a lot of negative space, even though it's not really negative. There's stuff, but you know what I mean because there's all me. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We got company over, and I got other things I gotta take care of. So, till we next speak, toodles.